million children in this country are diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. And of those children, over half are medicated each year. Many parents are hesitant to medicate their children because of the side effects of medications like Ritalin can be quite drastic. The ADHD Research Center in the Netherlands found that in 64% of children with ADHD, the symptoms are caused by food. To help combat ADHD, I'm going to prepare a quinoa dish. Quinoa is a grain that is relatively new to the United States. I'm going to start with cinnamon. Cinnamon is a very healthy flavoring ingredient. It actually helps to build alertness. Next, I'm going to put in a cup of raisins. And then I chopped up 1 apple. And I'm also going to add raw organic honey as a sweetener. The quinoa's been cooking now for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to get it because it's done. It's light and fluffy. And when you prepare the quinoa, you put 2 parts water to 1 part quinoa. So I added 2 cups of water and 1 cup of quinoa. Quinoa was known as the gold of the Incas in South America because it builds endurance and stamina. Quinoa is a complete protein. It also is very easy to digest for those who have a gluten intolerance because it's wheat-free. So I'm adding the apple, I'm adding the raisins, and the organic raw honey. Raw honey that's in its natural state and it's not been processed is very healthy for you. And it's one of the best sweeteners that you can use because it's completely unprocessed. So I'm going ahead and putting that in, and now I'm going to add the cinnamon and mix it all together. Now you can use quinoa for many different dishes, and this dish can be used as a breakfast dish or just a snack. It has some sweetness to it because of the honey, so you can also use it as a dessert. But it's a great healthy dish, and it's very easy to prepare. It can be served hot or cold. It just really depends on what you like. I don't use a cookie cutter approach when I prepare meals because no 2 people are alike. So when you're making any of these dishes, adjust the ingredients the way you like. You can add a little more honey or a little less cinnamon or change your fruit. I basically just wanted to give you an idea how to use quinoa for a great breakfast dish or for a snack.